Hello people, I'm Bilal Ansari and today we are going to learn how to do a 360 kick or tornado kick. 360 kick is an insane move which can make anyone go crazy about. It's mostly used in Taekwondo and MMA. It's one of the most effective, powerful and amazing kick. But do you know it is also useful in situations like this? Anyways, let's get started. First things first, you have to be flexible for this move, especially with your lower body. Second thing and the most important thing, always warm up before you do any kind of physical activity. Like I have told you before in my videos, always warm up. So guys, never skip warm up. I remember once doing it and had some serious pain in my... So guys, if you aren't flexible enough, you can check out my center split video. That video is totally about lower body flexibility. You can also use it as your warm-up and it can help you avoid injuries and kick higher. Alright, so the first step is stance, your body language. So you have to be in a stance like a ninja warrior, guided yourself with your hands, keeping your right leg forward and your left leg backward, shoulder facing forward. Slightly bend your knees and transfer your weight onto your heel and maintain a perfect stance. Step 2. Swing your hands. Get your right leg back while turning backwards and having your left leg at the same place. Fake a crescent kick. While getting your left leg half opened and doing a half kind of crescent kick while turning other side. After faking a crescent kick, jump with your other leg making a powerful roundhouse kick. While doing this, both of your legs will be in the air. Practice this from kicking lower to higher as you progress. Alright guys, so there's only one thing you should be doing now is practice. Practice makes man perfect and also woman. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was helpful. If yes, then give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet. Comment below, let me know your thoughts on this video. Till then, keep smiling, keep working out, and I'll see you in my next video.